What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to an n8n. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Google Cloud website, and after that you need to sign in with your Google Cloud account, and then you will be redirected to console.cloud.google.com. After that, on the left side you can see this open project picker option. Click on this, and after that you just need to click on new project. After clicking on new project, a new project window will appear. From here, click on create, and after clicking on create, your project will be created. After that, in the notification section here on the right side, your new project will get loaded. From here, click on select project, and after selecting the project on the left side, you can see these three dots, which is the navigation menu. Click on this and then hover to API and services. After that, click on library. After clicking on library here, you will see the library window. From here, you need to search for Google Drive. As you can see, the Google Drive API, click on this. And after clicking on this, the Google Drive API window will appear. From here, click on enable. And after clicking on enable, here you will see the OAuth consent. Click on that, and after that, you will be redirected to the OAuth overview. From here, you need to click on get started. And after clicking on get started, here you will see the app information. So just give an app name, let's say test one. And after that, you just need to give the user support email and then click on next. After that, you need to select external so that any of the user with a Google account can see and edit it. And after that, you need to click on next, and then in the contact information, you again need to enter the same email that you have entered before. And after that, when the email has been added, click on next, and then in the finish section just check this checkbox and then click on continue and then click on create. After clicking on create, as you can see, the OAuth configuration has been created. From here on the right side you will see the create OAuth client. Click on this, and after that a new window will appear for creating the OAuth client. As you can see, you need to choose the application type. From here, we need to click on web application. And after that, here is the name. You can also customize this name, but if you don't want to customize, you can keep it as it is. And after that, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will see the option of authorized redirect URIs. So we need to add a URI, but where we'll get this URI from, we will get it from n8n. So head over to n8n, and then just close all the workflows that you are currently working on, and after that create a new workflow. As you can see, this is my new workflow. I'll click on add first step, and then I will search for Google Drive, and I'll select Google Drive and then click on to a specific file, change onto a specific file. I'll choose this trigger, and after clicking on this trigger, I'll click on select credential and create new credential. After that, in the OAuth 2 here, you can see the OAuth redirect URL. Click on this and then copy this link, and then come back to Google Cloud again, and then click on add URI. And after that, just simply paste this link. After pasting this link, click on create, and after creating, you will see your own custom OAuth key. I'll show you in a bit. As you can see, this is my client ID. Just simply copy and make sure that you copy it first before clicking on the button OK. Yes, guys, please copy it first because it won't appear again. So you first need to copy it, and after that, you need to click on OK. After clicking on OK, you just need to come back to your n8n, and then you need to just simply paste your client ID. And now we want to look for our client secret. So come back to this Google Cloud again. And then as you can see, this is the Google OAuth client that you have just created. Click on this name. And after clicking on this name, a new window will appear. From here on the right side. When you scroll a bit down, here you will see the client secret. Simply copy it from here and then come back to n8n and paste it here in the client secret button. After that, you need to sign in with your Google. After signing in with Google, click on save, and then your credential will be created. As you can see, the credential is successfully created, but the connection is still not done before signing in with Google. So make sure that you sign in with Google to make your connection successful, And this is how you can connect your Google Drive to n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.